कोकण रेल्वे ग्रीन एनर्जी तयार करपाचे दिकेन एक पावल उबारला। 1.32 कोटी मोडून मडगाव रेल्वे स्टेशनार प्लॅटफॉर्म नंबर 2 आणि 3 सोलर रूफ बसयल्यात। प्लॅटफॉर्म 2 आणि 3 487 सोलर पॅनल फिट केल्यात, जातूंतल्यान दिसाक 720 युनिट उर्जा तयार जाता। कोकण रेल्वे वर्सुकी 18 लाखांची बचत करता। ते 7 ते 8 वर्सांनी सोलर पॅनल स्थापन करपा खातीर जाल्लो खर्च वसूल करपाक शकतले। करमली आणि थिवी रेल्वे स्टेशनाचेरूय सोलर पॅनल घातल्यात, जे मडगाव बसयल्ल्या त्या परसत उण्या क्षमतायेचे आसात, अशी माहिती कोकण रेल्वेचे व्यवस्थापक बबन घाडगे हांणी दिली।
Then Honorable MP Lok Sabha South Goa Shri Narendra Savikar, he was kind enough to sanction this project of rooftop solar energy at Margao railway station. In fact, regarding green energy, he then Honorable MP Mr. Savikar, he motivated us, and accordingly we submitted a proposal to him for a rooftop solar energy at Margao station. This is that proposal was sanctioned by Honorable MP at a cost of 1.32 crores. So this work actually started in November 2019 and was completed in all respect by January 2021. In fact, by end of December we had started generating power, and this solar panels provided are totally, I'll tell you, 487 number of panels we have provided on platform number 2 and 3 rooftop, and this generates around 720 units per day, and this leads to around saving of around rupees 18 lakh per annum for Konkan.